Good morning guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na si Kuya Agustin Adventure. Guys, I'm here now entering here in Medina City, going to Almaray Depot. This road is along Gasim Road, Medina. Now I'm here now in Medina City. Here guys, right side here in the bridge. Exit right, Almahda. Here exit. And here, go straight. This road is going to Yanbu. Now I'm up to here in my location, up to there in my destination, Almaray Depot, Medina. We have 30 kilometers before arrival there. If you want to, guys, if you want to get the trip here in going to Medina Depot, this is a very nagkano tayo, overtake tayo. This is a very easy if you want to come here. But if you use Google Map, using Google Map, no problem. Dito na tayo ngayon guys, dito sa main road nito. Itong papuntang Yanbu, papuntang Jeddah, at saka papunta ng Rabig. So ang kukunin natin na daan pagdating mamaya doon sa doon sa letter Y na na kanto, kunin natin doon yung pakanan papunta doon sa depot. Just be careful because too much camera monitoring here. This left side is LRT train. madali lang natin matutunan itong ating dinadaanan. Lakas yung hangin sa labas, sunstorm. Strong sunstorm. They're outside. Go straight. Yanbu, Jeddah, Makkah. Straight. Now we go straight, guys. Can you follow the signboard? Yanbu. Be careful here in the highway because we have sometimes we have police radar here, camera radar. So if you want to run, just speed limit only here in 80 kilometer per hour. 80 kilometer per hour. Yan, sinusundan natin guys na truck. Ang karga niyan, alfalfa. Oh. Alfa. Delivered to Jeddah. foods of animal like camel, tupa, kambing, and others like cow. This highway is going to Yambu. Roundabout guys, but you go straight. Going to Medina Depot. This highway is under construction. This highway is going to Makkah, Jeddah, and Rabik. This line. I will not exit there because I going to Yanbu Road. I go straight. And after this, here under the bridge, we have exit there. So we have exit there in the front, going to Medina Depot. This bridge is 3. 1, 2, 3. Thomas Bridge here, left and right. And now we exit here in the highway. Exit here before a bridge. Here. Here front of petrol pump. Exit right side. Yes. Be careful to cross this here in the highway because sometimes too much vehicle crossing here. Can see here the front of a petrol pump, and also this is a masjid. Here in the new bridge like Arabic Kubri. Exit. Now I'm here now. Exit. After you exit, we go straight and exit there, going there in inside the highway. Here in my location, up to there in CPP, more and less, we have 7-kilometer balance up to here. So now you can exit here and entrance National Expressway. Oh. Straight. This highway is going to Yambu, and also here right is going to Qasim, Riyadh. Here in the city, Medina. Now near to Al Marai Depot. So ngayon, nandito na tayo guys sa Medina. Malapit na tayo doon sa depot ni Al Marai. So now, we're here now in Medina. We have a distance up to here in my location from their depot, Al Marai depot. We have 3 kilometers. Don't worry, my friend, if you don't know to come here in depot, Al Marai depot, don't worry because we have GPS location number. Can you search before you coming here? And then you follow the GPS, and also signboard there in the highway going to Medina and Yambu highway. You see, there Al Marai depot signboard. Oh. So guys, mission accomplished. This is Al Marai depot, Medina. Al Marai depot, Medina. You exit there, and then right. We're in accommodation building. Oh, here entrance, right here in the gate. So guys, thank you so much for for your showing to my video. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all.